ask you how. Okay, tell us everything about getting into the skin of the character and becoming Bay.
It was actually a lot of fun. It was actually my most fun character, but also my most challenging at the same time. It's the first time that I'm doing a long format series, and the advantage of that is that you get to go so into every character. You know, with films, you only have a couple of scenes. You can't really, build up a backstory that much. But with the long format, you get to do that. And I really have Karan and Colin to thank for this one. They're the OG base for me. Everything that I've done in the show is thanks to them, and the whole team, the cast. I'm only reacting to everything they're doing. The crew, the dialogues, the way it's written, it was just so much fun. It was a lot of fun.
It looked like you were having a blast, and becoming Bay should have been so much fun. But I do want to ask you, in the trailer, there was something that you were doing. It looked like you were manifesting, right? It's like the Bay mantra. So
Yes.
I think a lot of us can do with a little bit of Bay in our lives. So if you would please take me through that mantra, it would be amazing.
Okay. Let's do this one, okay. मैं हूँ awesome.
मैं हूँ awesome.
मैं हूँ flawsome.
मैं हूँ flawsome.
I'm here to slay.
I'm here to slay.
Chalo, let's seize the day.
Chalo, let's seize the day. Okay, we're all going to do it together. Okay, are you ready?
I promise
can
you
see.
feel better after it.
Komal, I want you to do this with me. Okay?
सारे
There you
parts
are.
को सबसे loudly बोलना है ये, ठीक
Okay,
है?
हमारे बात बोलिए. AP after you. We'll all repeat.
Okay. मैं हूँ awesome. मैं हूँ flawsome. I'm here to slay. Chalo, it's time to seize the day.
We're going to do this every morning. This is amazing. I
It
feel
helps.
good.
It helps.
I feel better already. Thank you. Thank you for that. And now, of course, you, as you mentioned, your friends who were with you on the show. That is Varun Share. Yes. Woo. All of you? Great. Wow, guys, this is it. I want to start off by saying it's not often that you have such a lovely show of strength. And it's so nice of everyone to be thoughtful and have everybody on the stage. So, can we please give them a round of applause? Call me Bay.
Table read was like, what is she doing? But I went with it. I completely, believed what she was doing. And I think that's the most important, not to judge her as a character and do everything with honesty. And as Colin said, she's a very positive girl, even though many people would have judged her and do judge her, and I'm probably saying that she's a blonde, or she doesn't know this, she doesn't know that. I think the best quality of hers is that she doesn't judge people back, and she keeps saying that kindness is cool, and she never changes as a person. Even once she transforms and all these things happen to her in life, she stays that good-hearted, nice person. So I would say don't judge a book by a cover in the show as well as in real life, and I think that's a lesson we can all take from Bay.
Thank you for your question.
Fridge scene will be in the deleted scenes.
Yeah, it's in the deleted scene, so I could say that.
Hi, Ananya. My question is to you. Samina, you're from Zoom Channel. Hi, how are you doing? So I have to ask you this, that there was a point in life when you said there is struggle and it became a meme material completely. But still, like you said, that you have your own struggles, whenever it comes to the industry, being a part of the industry world. What is that one thing which you struggle the most while trying to make a mark for yourself in the world of glamour?
Honestly, firstly, we made fun of that line, honestly, ourselves. We've kind of owned up to it. And I said it so long back. I said it 5 years ago. I really struggle with answering this question now. Honestly, I'm done with that. But I think I'm just trying to keep my head down, work, and I hope people like my work. And there's no struggle. I'm doing fine.
Thank you so much for your... I'll leave you with that. That is amazing. And thank you for the prompting, because this was completely unplanned. And can I please tell you, ये बिल्कुल planned नहीं था, and if that's what you sound like,
Lucky I remember.